Get ready, start. With information technology going mobile thanks to the deployment of faster and more reliable broadband networks, we are experiencing yet another technology driven transition. Technology based businesses can be referred to as businesses that engage in technology related products, processes, and services. They may be low, medium, or high technology. One area of the economy which has been significant growth is that focused on new technology based products and services, and the high technology sectors are perceived as major sources of future economic prosperity and employment growth. However, IT includes the management information systems, computers, hardware, software, networks used to automate and support business tasks and decision making. IT is used to automate simple routine tasks such as word processing and advanced processes such as production, scheduling, and logistics. In this manner, information technology enables businesses to operate efficiently and profitably. Technological advances in the past few decades have greatly increased the competitive nature of the economic business world. Companies have used software, computers, and the internet to transform their businesses from local places of business to national and global market competitors. Many companies have responded to these changes by automating their business processes and computing industry related information and using it to their advantage. Technology has also forced businesses to remain flexible, adopting their operations to newer and better technological advances. Business owners once had very few tools at their disposal, little more than a basic adding machine and paper records. Today's businesses owners can complete their duties much more effectively than their predecessors with an array of technological tools at their disposal. By using these tech tools, companies and employees enjoy a number of business related benefits. We know that the business sector produces products and services for profit. Information technology describes any technology used to create, process, and disseminate information that is critical to business performance. Information technology is important to the business sector as a management tool to optimize the processing of information to produce goods and services for profit. Automation improvements achieved by deploying information technology usually decrease the number of personnel required. Economies of scale gained through the deployment of information technology reduced the overall cost for businesses to products and services. This has an overwhelmingly positive effect on the financial goals of a business. Quality insurance entails systematic testing to ensure that a business is producing quality goods and services for its customers. Rigorous quality standards help business outputs meet the required specifications. Quality assurance can be used within processes such as marketing, customer support, and accounting, as well as product testing. The effective and efficient processing of information related to achieving quality assurance goals is key to the delivery of quality goods and services to business customers. Investments in information technology can help make a firm's operational processes substantially more efficient and its managerial processes much more effective. By making such improvements to its business processes, a firm may be able to stop